Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Tabnine. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tabnine.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Tabnine website. Now, in order to sign into your existing account, click on the login/sign up button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now, in order to log into your existing account, type in your email address that you used to sign up, followed by your account password. Then click on the sign in button to log into your account. You can also click on Google, Microsoft or GitHub accounts if you created these accounts to sign up for your Tabnine account. After clicking on the sign in button, you will directly be logged in to your Tabnine application account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your existing account on Tabnine. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.